Ricardo, what's your Chinese name?
My Chinese name is Hu Yuzhe.
Ricardo is going to cook for us today.
Yeah.
We have Sylvia from Romania, we have Alessia from Italy.
And my roommate.
China.
Okay, and Ricardo. Ricardo, what's your Chinese name?
My Chinese name is Hu Yuzhe.
Hu
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 Yuzhe.
Hu Ucha.
Yeah, it's
Something.
difficult to pronounce.
Yes, it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard. Yeah.
So let's do it. Let's do something handsome.
Okay. Water? I still have the water from the first one. You eat really spicy all the time?
Yeah, because Chinese people like spicy because it can make you want to eat more. It's the vinegar.
But what is Xinjiang?
Zhenjiang. Hey, you can smell the most taste of Western. It's really expensive thing, and you can't buy it in another country. You only buy it in China.
Oh, really?
And this one is from Wuhan. It's traditional Chinese green tea. It's
Is it like coffee?
No,
No.
yeah, like coffee.
Yeah, yeah.
Make you feel refreshed.
Yeah.
Just like coffee.
vodka, Chinese vodka. But
Oh, really?
It's really good.
This is
It's different.
yeah. Is alcohol?
Yeah.
But what is the one? The
That
Chinese
have a
one?
little bit Chinese wine. Chinese wine.
This looks like mango.
Korea wine. Korea wine.
Oh, no, this one is
And this one is gin. I made it by myself and it's very strong.
You
I
made
made it
this
by
by
myself.
yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's really strong. So if you want to taste, you can just taste a little.
Is this mango?
这个榨菜是用什么做的
榨菜是用那个，就是用那个可当那种。
？It's not mango.
Wine.
No.
No, it's a kind of vegetables. I don't know. 萝卜。
啊，
It's I don't know how to say.
Buongiorno, Alessia.
Buongiorno.
So when you are asking for my tiramisu recipe, the recipe are coming from Alessia from Italy. Okay, so it's
The real
classic.
one.
It's the classic Italian tiramisu.
300 grammi di savoiardi, 4 uova medie freschissime, mascarpone 500 grammi, zucchero 100 grammi, caffè della moka già pronto 300 grammi e cacao amaro in polvere a piacere.
If you like more sweet, you can add more zucchero.
More zucchero.